Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cleaning the piece gently with a soft cloth to remove tarnish. This reveals stamps and details. Once done, inspect under a 10x loop. Look for 925, 900, sterling or punch marks on clasps and inside. Next, weigh the item and note heft. Real silver has a distinct density and feel. Compare similar size pieces you know. Make sure to keep small parts on a tray to avoid loss, and move directly to basic non-destructive tests. You now run quick verification tests that balance safety and reliability. First, try a magnet. If it clings strongly, the piece likely contains base metals. If not, you still need more checks. Then perform a baking soda paste test on a hidden spot. Silver will show little reaction, while base metals may discolor. Or use 1 drop of silver test acid on a tiny scratch, neutralize after. Also tap the item gently to hear the ring. Real silver has a clear, sustained tone, so compare to a known sample. You finish by consolidating evidence. Marks, magnet result, baking soda or acid reactions, weight and sound, take photos and notes. Once done, if results conflict or value is significant, get an XRF reading or a jeweler's assay for a definitive answer. If the piece fails tests but seller insists, request documentation or return it. Troubleshooting tip: if a test is unclear, stop and consult a professional. Repeated home tests can damage finishes and void returns, so proceed cautiously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.